Hey everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my channel and my studio. Today I'm sharing a really simply stenciled card project featuring some gorgeous new products from Concord and 9th. So to see the process, that video is coming up next. Here's a look at the products I'll be creating with today, and I have this Stay Cozy stencil pack from Concord and 9th, and it is just so sweet with the 3 layers here. But you get ideas on the back of every single pack from Concord and 9th of all their products, and this is what I'm going to use today. Now, I am going to replace the A with the hat from the sweater season die set. So I've got some colors that make me feel cozy, and these are what I'm going to use to do my ink blending. All right, let's get set up for the blend. I've got my grip mat here, and I'm just going to line this up right on the crop marks, and then that. There we go. Now, I should have washed my grip mat, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to throw down a little bit of, well, first of all, I'm going to mask this. I have a transparency little square thing that I made, and I can't find it for the life of me because, well, it's transparent, and it seems to be missing in my space right now. So we're going to use a little tape on the mat because, I should have washed it before we started. Okay, when you use these mats over time, they get less sticky, and all you have to do is wash them, and then they get really sticky again. But I have not washed mine in a while, so we're taping too. We're just going all in. I'm an over-adheser. The other thing I want to do is I want to completely cover the A on my Stay Cozy. So I'm going to see if I can just kind of trace a little A up here like that. How about that? Is that going to work? Get it in. Oh yeah, look at me. Get it in like that. Come down to cover it here like that. You know what? That's what we call a touchdown. Okay, I'm going to clean my brush very quickly. I don't ever wash my brushes. I just do this with a paper towel. So if you've ever wondered, hey, how do I get the last ink off my brush? Well, just grab a paper towel. I keep it under my desk. And now it's ready to take the next color. And I'm just going to come down in a blend with the pink lemonade at the top. Slide you up here. And we're going to transition into the other 2 colors. And that's what we're going to do. I mean, I love pink lemonade so much. Such a good color. Dreamy, buttery, awesome. And now the beautiful thing is I don't have to change brushes. I'll just go into the next one down. Pick you up. I am going to tap a little off though, just to kind of work it into the bristles here a bit, because I don't want to come in too hot. So I'm going to focus this one in the center. And I'm going with a relatively light hand. I prefer to go a little light-handed and just keep going over the same area when I'm trying to create that sort of soft blend look. Love it. And I'm going to finish off with the grapefruit. Now I'm going to wipe off this right here. That's because I don't want to forget that it's there and then tap into it. All right, we're going to load up our brush with the grapefruit. Again, I'm going to do a little tapping off, and then I'm just going to come in lightly from the bottom with the grapefruit. And I change directions when I'm blending as well. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. It's so fun. See, I don't know if you think of these as like winter colors, but I love a good pink into an orange. It just makes me so happy. Let's open this up, take this off, because now I do want to do something at the top. So I would guess I'm going to go in with, we're going to mask you. Probably could have just done my lemonade at the same time, but let me think here. Do I want it to be in the lighter? Yeah, I think I do. Sometimes I don't know until I get there, but I do want this to be relatively light because I just want this pattern at the top. It's so fun when you have something that just fills in the whole panel of your card, you know? So we're just giving that the pink treatment. And then at the bottom, we'll do that in the grapefruit. Well, I guess I don't need to worry about protecting, do I? Because it's just coming in from the same color. All right. And this at the bottom. And we're just framing it. Now you could mask these all off and, you know, do them all different and make them different colors. I just thought, you know, we're keeping it simple. All right, there we go. Missing our A, of course. Let's lift it and see what it looks like. The magical reveal. Oh, it's so cute. Also, my mat's really stained, but that adds a nice little frame. Okay, let me pull some of these coordinating cardstock so I can die cut a hat. So I have pulled out some scraps of the matching cardstock. So I have grapefruit, pink lemonade, sweet pea, and a piece of white, and I'm just going to make a basic hat. So I don't know, I think I would like to do, and I've got my little die cut machine because sometimes it's nice to have a little one, and I think I want to do this out of the pink first. So let's see if I can figure out which way this goes. There we go. Okay, run that through. Let's take a look. Oh, that's so cute. Oh gosh. See, I might do a white hat too. I haven't decided. So I'm just going to go ahead and die cut all these little pieces. And there's a little border. And if you just, you know, cut it out of all the colors, then you have, you know, more options to use. And then I'll figure out which one I want to be the palm. All right, I will put this away, and I think I'm also going to trim my Stay Cozy panel down a little. Bring in my cutting plates, and I think, I mean, I don't know, I don't want to take a lot off. If this will work, oh, well, yeah, will it? It's close, it's tight, but I kind of love it, unless I want to go up. Well, no, because see, I want to have a margin to put this note card either onto like a pink lemonade or white. So let me go ahead and cut this out. So now I will figure out which hat's gonna work. So part of me thinks if I do that hat, we gotta take our time here because I want to have, well, let's see, you here to get the pink. Then we put this friend on here, right? Like that. Ooh, that could actually work really well. And then I could just put a little palm on top like that. And then I could tilt it a little. That's cute, actually, and probably cuter than being in the white, but yeah, because the white's just gonna get lost. So here's what I'll do. I'm actually gonna use the white for a little dimension. I'll just use that on the back. Got some liquid glue here. I still may pop it up, but sometimes I like my little die cuts that are small to have that little extra dimension. All right. And we'll add our band of color in the sweet pea. Okay. That. And then that's going to give it some nice dimension there. Okay. And I don't think it would make sense to do, well, actually, did I do a white palm? A white palm could make sense on top of this hat, right? Like, look at that. I'm going to tilt it just a little. Let me just drop that right there. I mean, that is kind of cute actually, because then we're coming down. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the white. It's just fun. It's like a mix or match. You can do, you know what? You can do whatever floats your hat boat. Okay, let's pop you right in there and up. All right, let me get some foam tape on the back of here and get a note card prepped. I'm gonna put this on a white note card just because I want it to feel wintry, and I want all the color of the ink blending to just be its own thing and kind of shine on the card. So folding our note card, this will be a US A2, so 4 1/4 wide by 5 1/2 tall. And I have on the back some dimensional tape, some foam tape here from Altenew, and we will just pop this onto the card. And I'm just going to take a few thin foam squares because I wanted this to pop up and kind of be the star of the show. And that will give it a little shadow there. In fact, no, that'll be good. I don't think that needs it up there. All right, so that will go right there. It's so cute. Oh, Concord and Ninth, I tell you, you come up with some cute things consistently. And as a designer myself, I have a tremendous appreciation for all the other companies and the wonderful products that they design. Okay, we're going to do a little liquid glue here, just for that little float time. While I figure out my angle, I want it to have a little tilt, like that. Stay cozy. So cute. Okay, I think I'm going to add just a little neutral shine. I'm just going to do a little reflected kind of 3 and 3. I usually do odd, but then, you know, sometimes you just feel like the 3 doesn't, you know, you just kind of got to do what feels good. Boop. A little shine for our holiday, boop, coziness, because, you know, it's sparkly outside. Boop, at least up here in Minnesota when it snows. And then you stay inside. Boop. And a lot of people do wear hats inside because, boop, old house, lots of drafts. Boop. And that is the finished card project. So I hope you enjoyed this. I think it's a really fun stencil set. And again, this little sweater weather, or it's not called sweater season dies are fabulous too. So be sure to stay cozy this winter. That is my wish for you. You can find links to all of the products I used in today's video in the YouTube description box. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you, so hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I post. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. To see more fun projects featuring Concord and Ninth products, check out the 2 thumbnails I have linked for you below, and I'll see you in those videos.